How to check Google Pay transaction history. So first of all, download your Google Pay from Play Store. So go to Play Store and tap on the search bar and search for Google Pay and install this Google Wallet app. After you install, tap on open. Now complete signing up. So it's gonna ask you to add payment card and see how it works. Tap on add payment card. Now center your card number in the frame. Now you need to finish this sign up. After that, head over to your application. And here, if you scroll it down, there will be a see transaction history option right over here. So just tap on that and you'll be able to see all of your transaction history, but you need to sign up first. Then after that, what you can do is head over to your profile and scroll down, and always you can find your data in a wallet all over here. Everything will be stored here. But if you sign up, it will be just over here. You can just scroll it and tap on your see transaction history and you will find every related history to your credit card or debit card. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.